Hello everyone, this is Eliza Press, no? Ayan, ngayon lang ulit ako nakapag-FB Live after ng ilang days, ilang weeks. So, kamusta? Kamusta naman kayong lahat? Wait lang, sharing lang ako sa aking page and group pages as well. Okay, so for those of you who are watching right now, feel free to comment in this FB Live so I can greet you kung saan ka nanonood ngayon. And kamusta? Been a long time. Hello kay Julius Gayanelo, kay Maricris de Galia. Kamusta? So again, this is Eliza Presno. So my topic for today is, ito, no, earning money in today's digital age is much easier compared to long ago. Okay? Do you agree? Agree ka ba dyan na mas madali ang pag-earn ng money in today's digital information age, no, compared to long ago? Okay? If you agree, comment in this FB Live kung agree ka. Yes, I agree. Or kung hindi naman, and leave your comment then, say no. If you don't agree na mas madali ang kumita ng pera ngayon in digital age, no? Ngayong meron na tayo, ngayon no, na nasa information age na tayo. Okay? Sige, feel free to comment in this FB Live lang kung saan ka nanonood so I can greet you also. Anyway, kamusta? Na-miss ko ang pag-FB Live. So, i-foresee nyo na every now and then mag-FB Live na ulit ako. Sharing knowledge lang, sharing informations, etc. Okay? Hello kay Rani Gomez Kaimo. Yan. Yan. Okay. Okay. So again, so for those of you na mga hindi nakakilala sa akin or hindi pa ako kilala, so I am Eliza Presno, okay? Information marketer, part of Vinti Network, okay? An affiliate marketer as well, okay? Part ng Lazada, part ng UN, part ng Amazon. Ayan. So, yun ang ginagawa ko nowadays. So, yun yung nagiging source of income ko nowadays. And of course, nagbo-blog din, okay? Writing skills, okay? Mina-maximize ang paggamit ng writing skills and so on. So, ngayon, my topic for today's FB Live ko, no, is yung pag-earn ng money. Earning money in today's digital age is much easier compared to long ago. So, do you agree ba na mas madali ang kumita na ng pera ngayon, no, compared way back before? Okay? Sige. Hello kay Manny Mans. Ayan. Kamusta naman, no, sa business ninyo? Okay. Sige. Okay, so I will start na. Wait lang. Close ko lang yung mga tabs na naka-open ko dito. Okay, sige, let's start. Okay, so anyway, no, sa mga late na makakanood nitong FB Live na to, feel free to watch the replay na lang. So magkakaroon ako ng live replay nitong FB Live na to. Okay, so my topic for today is earning money in today's digital age is much easier compared to long ago. Okay? So bakit ko ba nasabi na mas madali nang kumita ng pera ngayon compared to long ago? Okay? Alam niyo ba kung ano yung gold rush secret to making money in today's information age? Okay? Kapag ikaw, no, sa mga successful entrepreneurs, and ikaw ay isang entrepreneur, when you achieve na, no, kung na-achieve mo na yung writer's life, okay, yung nag-create ka na ng mga articles, nakakapag-create ka ng sarili mong content, nakakapag-create ka naman ng sarili mong blog contents, etc. Okay? And you've got to understand kasi na the secret to long-lasting success is to go where the money is. Okay? So nagtataka, paano? Saan? Ano nga? Where the money is ba talaga? Okay? Saan ako pupunta para mas madali at malaman ko yung sikreto para ma-achieve ko agad or makapag-earn ako ng money. Okay? So let me give you no quick example from history. Do you know, siguro some of you or most of you naman, alam yung California Gold Rush. Okay? Yung California Gold Rush na to, okay, ito yung, it made most money no, from gold sa California hills. Okay? siguro, some of you, sabihin nyo, wala naman ako kakilalang associated dyan sa California Gold Rush na yan before eh. Okay? And I understand na you would have trouble naming just one miner no, who made a fortune dyan sa California Gold Rush na yan. But kahit na you didn't know isang pangalan associated with the gold rush, I know narinig mo na no yung pangalan na Levi Strauss or Strauss, I don't know how to pronounce it but it's Levi, okay? Si Levi, he made his fortune, no? Paano siya nagkaroon ng fortune sa California Gold Rush na ito? Okay, he made his fortune by supplying sturdy clothing, no, dun sa mga minero. Okay? So kasi na foresee niya, oy, kailangan nila ng mga damit. Okay? Yan. So yun ang sinupply niya. He supplied clothing for the miners. Meron pang isa, no, si John Studebaker naman. Kumaga, si John Studebaker, nung nalaman niya na, uy, mukhang may gold rush dito sa California na to, no? Sa California, may California Gold Rush. Okay, so, nung narinig niya yung about doon na, naku, magkakaroon ako ng fortune dito, etc., instead na siya ay makipagmina din, no? Yung nagmimina-mina ka din, pahirapan mo yung sarili mo sa dirt and muck. Ang ginawa ni John, nag-create naman siya or nag-manufacture naman siya ng wheelbarrows, no, for miners. Okay, so itong mga wheelbarrows na to, yun yung ginamit ng mga minero para mas madali sila makapagmina. Okay, so presto, no? So another fortune made na naman. Yung isa, damit, yung sinupply, no? Damit yung ginawa niya. And then nagkaroon siya ng fortune out of it. And then yung isa naman, yung isa naman, no? Nagkaroon siya ng fortune by manufacturing wheelbarrow. And marami pang entrepreneurs yung nagkaroon ng fortunes by going where the money is. Okay? Yung kilala ninyo, no? Si Mark Hopkins, si Henry Wells, si William Fargo, si Leland Stanford, no? So, itong mga entrepreneurs na to, they made millions, no? Nagkaroon sila ng millions because na-foresee nila eh, di ba? They had the foresight na yung fortunes, ano yan eh, kumaga, magkakaroon ka ng fortunes by providing others with what they need, no? Kung na-provide mo yung mga kailangan ng tao, definitely, madali mo ma-achieve na magkaroon ka ng millions. Madali mo ma-achieve na makapag-earn ka ng money and so on. Okay? Parang ganito nga eh, di ba, lagi nating sinasabi, be like Google, di ba? Kasi kapag ikaw, para ka nang si Google, di ba? Pupunta yung mga tao kay Google kasi nga, they're looking for answers, they are looking for some contents, they are searching, etc., etc. They want some answers. So si Google, ipino-provide niya yung kailangan nung taong nagpupunta sa kanya. Okay? So, ganun din sa entrepreneurship or sa pagbe-business. If you know how to handle, no, or alam mo yung mga pangangailangan ng tao, okay? Alam mo yung kinakailangan, etc. Okay? Mas madali mo na ma-achieve na magkaroon ka ng higher income, ma-achieve mo yung talagang sinasabi natin na freedom na yan, etc., etc., etc. Eh, gaya nga nung nangyari doon sa California Gold Rush, no, kila Levi Strauss, kila June Studebaker. Okay? So, ngayon, siguro, okay, ngayon kasi we live in what's called na yung information age na eh. Okay? Di ba sa topic ko, earning money in today's digital information age ay mas madali na compared to long ago. Kasi ngayon, nasa information age tayo. And siguro, itong mga entrepreneurs way back before, dun sa California Gold Rush, no? Kung yung mga entrepreneurs na yon way back before, okay? Kung buhay lang sila, okay? They would have found the best way na ma-exploit, no, yung information age. And dun sila magbi-build ng wealth. Okay? Instead of manufacturing wheelbarrows, instead of or supplying damit-damit, etc., ang gagawin nila sa information age, magbibuild na sila ng wealth from it. Okay? So, yun yung tinatawag natin na information marketing. Okay? And ako, personally, I'm into information marketing. So, ganito kasi, ang information marketers, of course, we are providing desired and needed information di ba? Doon sa mga tao na who are actively looking for it. Okay, parang si Google lang, di ba? Kapag nagpunta ka kay Google, si Google, ipoprovide nga yung different answers, okay, na pwedeng sagot sa katanungan mo. And out of sharing or providing ng mga answers, articles, blogs, mga contents na ginawa mo, etc. Of course, you are making good money out of it. Diba? Habang ginagawa mo yung pagsusulat, habang ginagawa mo yung mga contents mo, etc., okay, you make good money doing it. Kaya nga sabi ko kanina, okay, isa kang successful entrepreneur and matatawag kang entrepreneur kapag na-reach mo na yung part na writer's life. Okay? Kapag nakakapag-provide ka na ng content, nakakapagbigay ka na ng help sa iba, etc. Okay? And I definitely sure naman ako, and I believe na kayang-kaya mo din. Kung nagawa namin, kung nagawa ng iba, kung nagawa ng kung sino-sino pa man, no, mga successful entrepreneurs, yung makapag-provide no, ng information to people, I know you can also. Okay? So before we proceed, no, hello kay Alvin Ross, kay Lizelle Magalona, kay Mia Hernandez, kay Jaime Kadungog. Okay? Ngayon, ganito, no? Mga information marketers kasi ganito. Ako as one of the information marketers, no, I create, I promote, and I also sell information products, no, in wide range of subjects, okay, in a wide range of niches also. And I'm sure and really sure that info marketing kasi is very big no in your chosen or soon to be chosen na niche kung mapipili mo man na or magustuhan mo man na maging information marketer ka soon or later. Okay? And as an info marketer kasi ganito ang pwede mong mangyari Okay? Paano ka ba makapagbenta diyan? Paano ka ba magkaroon ng pera diyan? So, if you are an info marketer, pwede kang kumuha ng e-books, pwede kang mag-create ng newsletters. Yung newsletters na yan via email marketing and so on. You might also create blogs, video or audio courses, no? O kaya naman, sabihin natin mga e-courses, pwede kang mag-create ng ganyan, DVDs, workshops, and marami pa. If you know of someone, no, yung iba, di ba, they are creating money by having seminars. Okay? Nagkikreate sila or naglo-launch sila ng isang seminar. Iba naman, nagkikreate sila ng mga e-courses and then people will enroll into, okay? So they will create money out of it. Diba? So yung iba naman, nagkikreate ng newsletters nila, etc. Yung iba, nagkikreate ng freebies ng mga e-books and so on. And then later part, okay, andun yung selling part and so on. Okay, so marami. And also yung mga informations that you're providing to people, okay, I'm sure that it will help you to generate income. Okay? And ano pa? Okay? As an information marketer kasi, you can work as well as a freelancer din, no? Pwede kang i-hire ng mga clients, no? That begging for good and trained info marketers, mga naghahanap ng mga trained na, okay, na kagaya mo. Or pwede rin naman kung ikaw ay info marketer, you can work entirely on your own. Ikaw lang talaga, okay? Sarili, no? Or pwede rin magpa-hire ka sa ibang clients or pwedeng ikaw mismo magtrabaho ka alone or pwedeng gawin mo sabay kung kaya mo, okay? Kaya lang, of course, if you work on your own, no, as an info marketer, kasi kapag ikaw nag-work ka as sa sarili mo lang, ang gagawin mo dito, you have to produce information products and you have to sell them through your website or other places. Ito na, dyan papasok yung affiliate marketing. Okay? Kapag if you work on your own. Okay? Ngayon, you should consider then also, what do you write ba? Ano ba yung mga bagay-bagay that interests you? Okay? Yung mga bagay-bagay na may alam ka na or may knowledge ka na or may experience ka na. Kasi once alam mo na kung ano mga gusto mo, no, na maisulat, ano yung mga gusto mong contents, ano yung mga gusto mong information na ma-share to people and so on. Okay? Or saan ka eksperto na masabi natin. Yung talagang alam na alam mo, gamay na gamay mo na siya and so on. Mas madali, no? Yung pag-level up mo, okay? Dun sa success mo in your writer's life, okay? So, and also, of course, kapag alam mo kasi kung ano yung niche or gusto mong content na i-share to people, mas madali mong kumbaga mas low cost, low yung startup cost sa pagsisimula. Kasi you simply put lang yung best tips, yung strategies sa sa best form, no, na nag-a-attract dun sa mga target market mo. Kasi nga alam mo na rin naman kung sino ta-targetin mo. Okay? Kung ano yung specific topic na alam mo, okay? Alam mo rin of course kung sino yung ta-targetin mo. So it's easier for you to know kung sino ang target market mo. Okay? Kaya nga it's better dapat alam mo kung saan ka magaling. Dapat alam mo kung ano yung gusto mong isulat, etc. Kung ano yung content na gusto mong i-share. Okay? Hello kay Coach Lakay, kay Jimmy Nibay, kay Jaime Kadunga. Sige nga, comment kayo in this FB Live kung saan kayo nanonood right now. Anyway, good to see you again. Kahit di ko kayo nakikita. So, good to see you again sa mga names ninyo na nandito na nakikita ko na who are watching right now. And I hope no na kahit pa paano may matutunan kayo in this FB Live. Okay, so resume na tayo. Okay, so ganito. Kung ma-establish mo, no, dumating ka sa punto, kung may questions kayo, feel free to comment in this FB Live lang. Okay, and I will have it answered. Okay, so again, topic ko, bakit ba easier, no, yung pag-earn ng money in today's digital age, no, compared to long ago. So, ganito, kung ikaw is gusto mo mag-stand alone, maging solo infomarketer ka, pag na-establish mo na yan, of course, magkakaroon ka ng ready na or may market ka na talagang mapupuntahan and so on. And yung existing products mo, okay, magiging yan kung talagang ikaw is established na, no, na solo marketer, magiging steady income stream mo na talaga siya. Okay? Kasi I've known lots of entrepreneurs nowadays na yung iba talagang they are consistently creating seminars, okay, launching seminars every now and then they made money out of it. Okay? Kasi nga, ang ginagawa nila, okay, info marketing then, but then through seminars. Again, di ba, you can create ebook, you can create your own e-course, you can create DVDs, workshops, etc. Okay? And basta alam mo yung kinakailangan ng target market mo or ng tao, okay, at napoprovide mo yun sa kanila, okay, it's easier for you, no, na magkaroon ka ng breakthrough doon. Okay? Ngayon, ganito. Kung ayaw mo naman, no, na talagang on your own ka, okay, of course, you could choose naman to work for a client, no? Okay, yun nga yung tinatawag natin na affiliate marketing and so on, i-hire ka nila, magpo-promote ka ng products nila, etc. Okay, yung mga big companies, no, like si Apple, Lazada, and so on, and actually, yung mga mega corporations na yan, yung mga most companies na yan, large, medium man yan, or small, okay, they've found out that it's more cost-effective na mag-hire sila ng freelancers. Okay? Just like you, if you want to. Okay? So, ganito kasi, kapag ikaw is nagsulat or nag-create ka ng contents or you write for other clients, they will provide you much of the background information. Kasi nga, syempre, magkakaroon kayo ng interaction, magkakaroon kayo ng discussions or etc. Okay, so, ipoprovide nila everything that you need to know. Okay? So, ang gagawin ng client mo, they will direct and guide you how to present the information. Okay? So, ikaw, of course, you'll probably have to do some research lang, but you will work as a team. Okay? Which takes a lot of pressure of you. Okay? So, hindi ganun kataas yung pressure, no? But, whether you decide to be a solo info marketer or maging freelancer ka for outside clients or both, ang gagamitin mo pa rin dito, yung nakakatuwang ginawa ni Levi Strauss, no? Yung secret to wealth niya. Okay? Kasi you will go where the money is. And ano ba yung, saan ba yun? Alin ba yun? Saan? information, sharing information. Okay? And kung ikaw magaling ka magsulat, etc. Okay? And you have to use your writing skills to achieve the writer's life as an information marketer. Okay? Gamitin mo yan, yung skills mo na yan, yung knowledge mo na yan. Okay? And kung magaling ka mag-blog and so on, gamitin mo yan. Okay? So, I guarantee you na mapapadali na yung usad mo in business. Hello din kay Fernizer. Hello kay Tita Merla. Okay? Ayan. Sige. May mga katanungan ka ba kayo dun sa diniscuss ko today? Okay, I've discussed, diniscuss ko dito sa FB Live ko yung information marketing. Okay? Kasi currently I'm into information marketing and so on. So, I'm creating blogs, I'm creating contents, okay, etc. Okay? Ngayon, siguro, napapaisip ka or minsan ba naiisip mo na information marketing yung pasukin ko na linya. Okay? Kung magaling ako magsulat, papasukin ko ba information marketing? Okay? Ano ba sa tingin mo ang information marketing? Okay, madali lang ba? Of course, madali lang siya kung alam mo na kung saan ka magaling, kung saan ka eksperyensado, etc. Okay? Be it na, syempre, alam mo din, di ba, yung mga different niches nowadays. Of course, we have the so-called evergreen markets, di ba? So if you want na ang gawan mo ng mga articles and so on is like health and fitness, okay? Money making online, etc. Okay? Pwede kang mag-choose okay, kung anong niche. Okay? And kapag ikaw kasi is writer or ikaw ay blogger, ikaw ay nakapag-share ng information to people, okay? You have wide range, no? Wide range na pwede mo ma-share. Okay? So, kaya nga din, love ko din as well yung affiliate marketing. Comparing, sa e-com. But then, e-com is very a good business din naman. For as long as you have the means then and you have, ayaw mong, kumaga, gusto mo talagang i-maximize lahat and so on. Okay? Pero sa akin, sa affiliate marketing kasi, I have wide range na pwedeng maging source of income and so on and by sharing infos kasi okay I can make money out of it. Okay, ayan, sana nagkaroon kayo ng idea kung bakit mas madali ang mag-earn ng money in today's digital age compared to long ago. Okay, may mga questions ba kayo regarding sa FB Live na to? Okay? So kung may questions man kayo, feel free to comment in this FB Live lang and I will have it answered. Okay? Anyway, thank you then for those of you who are nanood ng FB Live na to. And for those of you na mga late nang pumasok sa FB Live na to para manood and so on, feel free to watch na lang the live replay mamaya. Okay? Ngayon, if ever that you might get interested na matuto ng about information marketing, affiliate marketing, how to build your own strategies on doing your business and so on, I will provide a link lang in this video, in this FB Live. And feel free to click that link. Watch mo yon, okay? Alamin mo kung ano yung what's inside that link and so on, okay? Baka it might get you interested also, okay? Lang. Sige. While waiting, kung may questions kayo with regards to your business right now, kung kayo ay nasa affiliate marketing na already, nahihirapan kung paano magsisimula and so on, comment lang in this FB Live. Expect na ninyo ulit that madalas nyo na ako makikita ulit sa newsfeed ninyo. Okay? So, I have lots of times na already ngayon. Okay? So, for those of you na ayaw na ako makita sa newsfeed nila, okay, pwede nyo ako i-unfriend or kaya naman ay mag-unfollow sa akin so that hindi na dadaan sa newsfeed, yung mga magiging FB Live ko the coming weeks. And expecting nyo din that I will share informations every now and then sa mga FB Live ko nito. Okay. Ayan. Sige. So that's it. Thank you for watching this FB Live. So till next FB Live. So again, nag-trip back in time lang tayo kasi nowadays, no, people are talking about earning money to this digital age is much easier daw, no, compared to long ago. And ginastify ko kung bakit mas easier or mas madali ang kumita ng pera ngayon compared dati. Okay? Sige. So for those of you na late na pumasok sa FB Live na to, feel free to watch this FB Live na lang, yung FB Live replay. And comment in this FB Live na lang din, no, kung saan kayo nanonood so that I can greet you and malaman din natin kung saan kayo nanonood. Okay? Yun lang. And then, so for those of you na hindi nakakilala sa akin, I'm Coach Eliza Fresno. I'm Eliza Esteban Fresno, saying do something today that your future self will thank you for. So, I've inserted a link dito sa comment section ng FB Live na to. So, feel free lang, no, na i-click yon if you want to access the free training series namin. Okay, so that's it. And thank you for watching this FB Live. So, till next FB Live. Bye-bye. Hello kay Jane Dishon Habol. Bye-bye.